the descending, or sorry, the inferior vena cava. Right here, can you guys see where it's splitting? I have to move the artery. Okay? So this is going to be the common iliac, but then it's going to go to the external iliac, which is going to go way on the outside. The internal iliac stays in. Okay? So do you see how this keeps going down here? So that's going to be your common iliac, external iliac, and then the internal iliac vein into here. Renal, just so since we're here, and again, the renal, again, this is not good. The renal vein, because of this latex explosion, is hard to see, but it should be blue. It's this one that I'm holding up right here. But the latex exploded, so it will be much nice and neater in another cat. And if I'm going to the kidney and it's blue, you're going to tell me renal vein. Okay? I'm just going to do the renal artery at the same time, and it's smaller. The renal artery is right here, and it's like a pinkish that I'm pulling up. Can you guys see the pink in that, the latex in that vessel that I'm pulling up right there? That's going to be the renal artery. So I'm going to have pins. If it's blue, it's going to be the renal vein. If it's red, it's the renal artery. Alrighty? Cephalic is coming off of the aorta because it's easier to see. Then I come here, and these vessels that are coming right up here by the trachea, those are going to be the carotids. Again, I am not going to worry about internal and external carotids. Just right here is the carotids. Okay, and you're going to have a right and a left. You don't have to worry about right and left, but that right there is the carotids. Arteries are much more difficult because they are smaller. So do you see how I'm coming out here? And these vessels are much smaller than the veins. But it's going to go along the same concept of, okay, here's your subclavian. Once it splits into a V, it comes out here, and that's going to be the axillary. Once it comes out here into the arm, then it goes into the brachial. But the arteries are much thinner right by the leg. So again, femoral vein, blue, femoral artery right here is going to be that pinkish. You didn't really have this branch. It was very small, and it just came back to the descending aorta. That branch right there that I'm sticking in, that blood's going up, is going to be the brachiocephalic, which is the first branch off of the aorta. Okay, and it kind of got cut. Right there, okay, is the sperm cord. That thing right there, that's cut. And then the other one is right here. It's still in a lot of the membrane. Okay, coming up behind. Do you see these cords that I'm pulling off? They're white, and I will be much easier and cleaner. But these things are going to be the ductus deferens or the vas deferens. Those are going to be carrying sperm, okay? So right here, these cords behind the bladder are going to be the ductus deferens or vas deferens. So then you have the sperm cord, and then I will have this all on there. And then the testes right here. I will have to take all the hair off, but those are going to be the testes. And then the penis sits right in between the testes. So sperm cords, vas deferens, testes, penis, and that's it. There we go. There you go. There's the testes right there. Okay, and the penis sits right in between there. Those were